This video is brought to you by Binary Bot Real Account. Leverage small $30 trading capital for huge gains on the synthetic markets. The official binary options robot provider for the Deriv trading platform. All info is in the description.
If I'm a Bitcoin and crypto billion, one bag of actives and annihilate. Bloody shoes, man, I crypto for dirty fire.
Alright, welcome back guys. Thank you for checking out another video here from Forex for beginners. Today is day 3 with our $20 account flip. Right now the account is up $34.86. So we're not doing too bad on the challenge. Also, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button on this video because it really helps us out. And just because it's supportive of you liking the video, so just like it. Thanks guys. So jumping into the video guys, I see a wonderful buy opportunity here on BTC USD. Currently we can see that it is at areas of support, which has been respected a couple of times here, and I am on the 5-minute chart for my entry, just getting ready to enter this trade. But first I'm looking for a little bit of confirmation first, so I have not jumped right in as yet. So while we're waiting on this entry guys, go ahead and subscribe right now to the channel guys, and don't forget to leave a like on this video guys because it really helps us out. Also, the broker that I'm using to take on this challenge is Exness. So if you don't know what Exness is, it's pretty much the most amazing broker in the world. They give you unlimited leverages and deposits, minimum deposits of little as $10. So they're very helpful. They're for the people, guys. So if you want to check out Exness, go ahead and click on the link in the description below to get you started with this challenge. It only takes $20 to get you started. Once you get set up with your broker, I'll go ahead and send you guys over the spreadsheet, the compound spreadsheet, where you can follow and track your daily progress and just kind of have targets and goals in mind as you open your trades. All right, so day 1, as you see on the spreadsheet guys, we started with a little balance of $20. We only risked $4.50 on that trade for a gain of 30%, and a profit of that was $6. And day 1 was successfully, we closed that day with $26 balance there. Day 2 we started with a little bit over 26, or I believe $26 there flat. You can go ahead and check out day 2 video. That should be popping up sometime now above this video. Yeah guys, but we only risked 23% there on day 2, and the risk was $6 max, all right, for a gain of 31%, with a target profit of $8 thereabout. All right, so we're risking very little using this compound strategy, only 15 pips for a take profit of 20 pips, and we slowly increase our lot sizes as our account grow to kind of get the maximum returns as possible within those 20 pips range. All right, so day 2 we ended with $34, and today is day 3. So right now we do have that $34 in our account, and we're waiting for an entry, like I said, on BTC USD. So I'm looking for buy opportunities in the market right now, just because I am seeing areas of liquidity. If you don't know what liquidity is, it's just unhealthy price action that just needs to be corrected. If I can find my rectangle tool right here, I'll show you what liquidity is. So if you can look to these areas, all right, there's this void, liquidity void. There it is again, that word guys, liquidity void that is not yet filled. So basically I'm waiting for price to make a bullish up move to these sides just to kind of fill this area. All right, so I hope you guys can understand that. So this is a really cool strategy using support and resistance. If you guys don't know what support and resistance is, I'll be sure to release a video on that. It's pretty simple. Basically, price does this between areas of support and resistance all the time. So basically price does this, and then it does this, and then it does this, all right, and then it does this. All right, and then it will do this. So price does this movement all the time. So I found a really cool strategy just to take advantage of that, and that is my edge when trading these charts, along with other confluences that I look for. If you can see on my screen here, I got my stochastic, and basically the the stochastic, guys, shows you levels of overbought and oversold, it just shows you the appropriate times, that is, just to enter the market, to just get maximize your profits, all right, or to get a more accurate trade. Okay, below that is my RSI. Again, RSI shows you areas of overbought and oversold, just areas in the market where price is and what it might be looking to do in that area of the market. So multiple confluences that I use while trading the chart, along with higher time frame technical analysis. You put all these together, guys, and you get a really accurate trade. So right now, like I said, I'm just waiting on that setup here for BTC to make some upward moves here. So basically what I'm waiting on, guys, I'm waiting on something like a breakout or a confirmation of some sort. I want to see at least um, price breaking these highs within these range. I want to see price making some sharp moves to the upside there, and then that would be enough for me to enter this trade. I'd go ahead and set my targets somewhere to these areas, and I'll be jumping out somewhere to these areas as my targets. All right, but really we're only risking, like I said, we're only risking like 15 pips for 20 pips. So I mean, this trade shouldn't be that long. I mean, let's check it out, how many pips this would be, from here to here. Drag it out, drag it out, drag it out. All right, so that's like 70 pips. That's like 76 pips if I'm doing that right. Yeah, that's like 76 pips right there. So we won't even be taking half of that, guys. It won't even be taking half of that. So what I'm gonna do, guys, just to kind of don't make this video too long, like I said, I'm waiting for a pullback. Patience is all a part of the game. So I'm gonna go ahead and pause this video. Once I see price at a proper area, I'm gonna go ahead and start the video and let you guys see my entry. All right, stay cool. Peace. All right, guys, I am back. So I went ahead and entered there on BTC USD on the 5-minute chart. I did change my bias, however. I did see that the downward trend for BTC. Unfortunately, guys, for all you crypto lovers, BTC is still plummeting. So I went ahead and decided to short that. So as you see here, guys, I went ahead and set my stop loss just as instructed in the PDF guide, the spreadsheet guide, the compound guide that I send out to you guys. So it says for day 3 at $34 balance, risk should be $8. All right. So I went ahead, and the broker I'm using, guys, again, is XNest. The link for XNest, if you want to participate in this challenge, the link for them will be in the description below. All right. So I went ahead and set my stop loss according to that. So let me see if, so you see there $8.07, right? And then it said the target profit we should be aiming for day 3 is $10 profit. All right. So as you see, I went ahead again and set my target profit down here. Set my target profit down here for $10. Let me see if I can see that. All right, so $10.09. So right now, as it is, we're already at almost $1 profit there. So far so good. I don't want this video to be too long, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause this video again, and when it's close to hit target profit or thereabout, stop loss, whichever way this trade goes, I'll make sure I start video so you guys can catch that. All right, peace. Alright, guys, so we're back and we're halfway there to target profit. So I said, why not just let this video run until the end, so you guys can actually see what that looks like. But feeling pretty confident about this trade, guys, going short there on BTC USD. Only aiming for 20 pips for this strategy, guys. Today is day 3. If you want to participate again in this challenge, guys, this 30-day challenge, you're only flipping $20 to 52,000, guys. So I think it's worth it, just giving it a shot. The best broker to do this with is XNest. Like I said, they give you unlimited leverage, guys. That you can select unlimited leverage, so you can actually have more room to earn more profit with a small amount of capital invested. So definitely check out the links in the description just to kind of join in on this challenge, guys. Like I said, today is day 3. We're going strong. Current balance is $5.76. TP is at $10. So we're at $6 now, guys. So pretty confident about this trade. Tomorrow will be day 4, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Subscribe, like this video, guys, if you're enjoying this little live trading strategy that I'm showing you guys. And also, who knows, you can actually use this strategy to pass your prop firm challenges. Who knows. So again, guys, a lot of gems being dropped on this channel. Go ahead and give it a like. And right now we're at $8. We're at $8. They're almost at that $10 TP. So let's see if we actually make it. Let's see if we actually make it. All right, so I'm just going to kind of just stop talking here, let you guys just watch out this video. Perfect. All right, guys, so as you see, TP smashed. Day 3, guys. I had to run and get myself a sandwich while we were waiting, but good stuff, guys. So let's go ahead and check it out. Balance is now 44.95 at day 3. So we're going to go ahead and check back our spreadsheet and see what it's saying. Day 3, right? 34 we started with. Risked only 29% for $10, right? Stop loss was actually 15 pips, oops. But we made that $44 target profit for the day like we head out for. All right. So we actually doing this. We're actually doing this on Forex for beginners, guys. We ain't talking about it. As you see, live trades, everything, man. You know, strategies, everything, man. Fully explained, nothing hidden, man. So I don't know who wouldn't want to be a part of all this. You know what I'm saying? So go ahead, hit a like, man. Hit the subscribe button, guys. Free stuff, all free. Like this is all free stuff, guys. So don't have to worry, and you can start with a minimum of $20, like I'm saying. So go ahead, guys. Go check out the links in the description. Go try it out for yourself. Go try this out for yourself and see how it works for you. But this has been a really long video, and I think I'm gonna have to speed up some parts of it. But thank you guys for just checking it out. It's been yours truly, PabloPipsFX, here from Forex for Beginners. Until next time, stay safe. Day 4 coming up tomorrow, Tuesday, guys. See ya. I'm out.